Guys, I need help picking out my school outfit. Let me show you all the options. This is the first shirt, that's the second shirt, and this is the third shirt. I'm gonna show y'all some jeans and see which ones y'all like. I'll be right back. Okay, so we got some like really baggy jeans. Then we got flare jeans. I'm not really pushing towards the flare jeans, but that's like fine. And then we've also got these like baggy but like kind of straight jeans, you know? I'm gonna put them with the shirts and see which ones you like. Okay, we've got outfit number 1. I'm gonna show y'all like on my body after, but like that's besides the point. And then we got option 2. Got option 3. I'm gonna put it on mom and see and show y'all. We've got outfit number 1. We got like the baggy jeans. Then we got this shirt. It says Wildcats. Let me show y'all the other option. Then we got this like Michigan shirt and these flare jeans. I didn't like option 3 because like I'm not about to wear a long sleeve shirt in spring. So like, yeah. So let me know which ones you'll like. But I need to figure out something to do with my hair. I like option 1 better. Like that's option 1. I might do that. So I'm gonna figure out what to do with my hair and then I'll get back to y'all. Go with the Wildcat shirt. And I have my necklace. It goes perfectly with it. Let me show y'all. Like look. So cute. And then I got this like blue jacket. It's like zip up, and then I got my baggy shirt, jeans, I mean. And I got like this claw clip, you know? It's cute. And I'm gonna put it in like a bun. Yeah, that's what I'm doing for school tomorrow. Peace, y'all.